Second attempt. The first one I noticed that it was wanting to go left, so I'm going to take off with the wind, but the wind is so low I don't think it's going to matter. All right, here we go. She wanted to roll over. That's half throttle. Yeah, there's a lot of action in the aileron. Seems a little squirrely, actually. I haven't done any trimming yet. She needs some up. Well, I'm below half throttle. Let me. Hard to describe the feeling I'm getting with this. It's well, I don't know, it's just me being nervous. It doesn't need much control. Very little, actually. God, I don't know what it'd be like on high rates. It tends to climb. I was thinking it was dropping, but that's probably the throttle was too low. Got a lot of response. Very lively. Looks good in the air, I think. Let's try a little rudder. There's left rudder. It comes around. Doesn't want to dive too much.
Takeoff flaps.
Oh yeah, look at it pop up. It floats now. Woo-wee! Woo-wee, baby! That's about a third, roughly a third power throttle. Okay, I'm gonna try to come in here. No, not this one, I'm too high. All right, coming in. Folded the gear. It's the gear. They don't take much punishment. Of course, it was a fairly steep drop, but oh well, let's see what we got. After the first flight, I pulled the landing gear out, coming in too hard and too steep. Kind of dropped out of the sky, and these immediately folded back. You can get an idea what the mounting looks like. I mean, this is super easy to glue back in, but just how sturdy is it to begin with? That's I can't fault the gear for not surviving what I just did to it, but it is kind of iffy the way they're put in there. It's not going to take a whole lot of rough landings. I'm probably going to be fixing this a lot. I'll use the foam tack and not worry about getting it up again today.